what we're going to do first is we're going to talk about what this course is all about, like kind of the key elements and why you came here to start your roofing company. Then I'm going to talk a little bit about myself and my company, some of our accomplishments, just so you feel comfortable with me and then who you're getting your information from. Now, the biggest thing about this course is, guys, we are going to, again, teach you the 3 important things. That's less stress, less work, and making more money. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to maximize profits. Now, a lot of other people who are offering how to start a roofing company course are wanting to focus on revenue. Revenue is great. It's something you can brag to your friends about and other colleagues, and you can get in these magazines. But at the end of the day, profits is what matters. I've seen a lot of companies over the last 5 years we've been doing this start up and they do a lot of money in revenue, and then they go bankrupt because they don't worry about the 2 things that are most important. That's your profits and your cash flow. And we're going to talk plenty about those 2 things later on in the video series. But I just want you to know exactly what we're mainly going to be focusing on. So in this video series, we're mainly going to be focusing again on low overhead and maximizing profits, and then also again trying to keep you not working as much as possible. And I'm going to teach you all the things that I wish I would have known before we started our business, because unfortunately there just wasn't a course like this out there that we could take. And I mean, I promise you, if I could have bought this 5 years ago to start our company, I definitely would have done it. And I'm going to teach you all those things that we wish we'd have done, the lessons learned, the things that we do now, and the way that we can make more money with less work. Now, who am I? My name's Zach Blenkinsopp. I'm the owner of Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. I'm also a U.S. military veteran, if that matters to you. Now, just because I'm licensed in 9 states, we've done contracts all over the United States, all the way from Florida, all the way out west to Colorado, and up to New Hampshire. Now, we're going to focus a little bit later on in the video series about how to do bigger jobs and make more money, and how you can spread your base if you want to, and spread your company out. But I just want to tell you a little bit about some of the things we've done. Our biggest project up to date is about $2 million. And over the last 5 years, we've profited well in excess of $1 million. We had a great year last year, but again, it's building up to that level about profitability. And I promise that the good thing about you taking this class now is I'm going to teach you some ways that you can make profit a lot faster than what we did. Now, one of the things I'm really proud about is just to show our success. In 2017, we started our company, and in 2018, Digital Roofing Innovations won the Shoals Chamber of Commerce Startup Business of the Year. So this is our trophy that we got for that, and it just shows that we did get off the ground running really quickly, and that's the same thing we're going to do for you. So if you came here as someone new to the roofing industry, or you were a salesman before, or even if you were a subcontractor now wanting to start your roofing company, and you're wanting to be the boss now and not have somebody else sell your jobs and you do it yourself, you came to the right place. Again, we're going to teach you everything you need to know. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the summary of all the different videos that we're going to go over. I'm going to have to read them off my computer because we got so many to do. But I'm excited about teaching you guys. Let's get going.